If there's one question that has perplexed men throughout history, it's how to get a girlfriend. For some who already have a girl in mind, they want to know how to get the girl. For others, they want to know how to find a girlfriend prospect in the first place. Others still just want to know how to get a girl, any girl, and worry about details later. To get the girl, whoever she is, can seem impossible to a lot of guys, but it really isn't as hard as it can seem. Here are 10 steps how to get a girlfriend. Now let's begin. Number 1. Stop trying too hard. Seriously, this is the biggest mistake almost every guy is guilty of when approaching a girl. When they really like a girl or they are determined to get a girlfriend, they become a guy who is ready to do anything for a girl. I'm not saying you should reduce your effort or stop using deodorant in general. Instead, stop trying so hard. If a girl asked you to do something stupid for her, would you do it? You have room because you like her. Well, keep in mind that this screams low self-confidence, which is a huge turn-off and not an attractive trait to have. Trust me on this one. Stop trying too hard, but don't be a careless douchebag. Instead, be smart, stand up straight, show some style, and let her know you know what you're doing, even if you have no idea. Number 2. Flirt with her right way. Don't make the mistake of being too pushy or direct when flirting. The art of seducing girls should be treated as such, which means you shouldn't rush things. Focus on verbal flirting first. Tease her, choose playful words, make her laugh. Repeat this a few times, then slowly level up to the next stage of flirting, which is physical flirting. When it comes to this kind of flirting, you need to be as subtle as possible, at least in the beginning. Subtle touches are your best friend because women love a man who is somewhere between a bad boy and a good boy. So you could touch her shoulder when you explain something to her. Brush something from her hair and accidentally touch her neck while doing so, or you can gently push her away from you when she teases you. There are several times when you can use the power of a subtle touch, so do it wisely. If you see she's conflicted, you know you're doing it right. Then you know she is comfortable with physical contact. However, if her response is negative, you should withdraw and try again later. Maybe she is shy or needs more time to relax around you. One thing's for sure, her enjoying your company is one of the biggest signs that you've nailed your first date. Number 3. Rock your own style. If you want to get a girlfriend, you have to make sure women notice you, right? What is the best way to attract anyone's attention? Let me help you with this. If you don't take good care of your style and overall appearance or try to match colors, though this is less important, you won't impress anyone. I'm not saying you should only wear suits 24/7 or have the perfect hairstyle. Even when you sleep, but you should definitely work to present yourself in an interesting and attractive way. Remember that the goal is to be more inviting to girls at malls, gyms, coffee shops, or wherever you go. Your appearance is the first thing other potential girlfriends notice about you, so making a good impression is key when learning how to get a girl. Also, don't forget the importance of trademarks. This is what sets you apart from others. It can be a unique piece of jewelry, a tailor-made leather jacket, you name it. The more original, the better. Number 4. Approach her like a boss. Before approaching a girl, I suggest repeating the following sentences several times. She won't refuse to talk to me. She won't make fun of me. She's not out of my league. The importance of being comfortable in your own skin and your thoughts, and I can't stress enough the importance of being confident in actions. Because everything starts with your mindset. If you're attached to negativity, you're likely to be more restless than usual, and you'll attract more negativity into your life. Approaching girls with a positive vibe and confident body language is a surefire way to impress them. Most importantly, you are impressing the universe into giving you more positivity. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits one can have, and everything comes from it. You may be the hottest person on the planet, but without confidence, you have nothing. Ask any girl out there and they will confirm what was mentioned. Also, please do yourself a favor and avoid cliched approaches that start with a charm killer called sorry. Instead, try to be more original. Start with a simple hi and follow it up with a thoughtful question tailored to the situation you're in. Yes, don't forget to use your second most powerful weapon after confidence, which is maintaining deep eye contact. In fact, if you ask me, confidence and eye contact are almost the same thing. Pro tip: be careful when using cheesy pickup lines. Not every girl likes them. Number 5, be genuine. Wondering how to get a girl or how to attract a girl to you? Repeat this after me. Don't be ordinary, be genuine. Congratulations, you have learned the most valuable lesson of your life, dating life. Don't ask her general questions right away. Because if you do, you will be classified as a normal, boring guy. Many girls consider this a major dating sin. You, yourself, know you can do better. You could say something like, "Hey, I know this is totally random, but I couldn't resist coming up to you. I hope you'll forgive me for that." I swear to you, with this sentence, you can attract the attention of any girl you want. Why? Because this approach is witty, playful, and thoughtful. Who wouldn't want to be with a guy like that, right? This will make her smile and intrigue her, which is exactly what you want. For bonus points, give her a genuine compliment on her cute smile, hairstyle, eyes, or something else. I suggest being on the safe side and sticking to light but effective compliments on her eyes, overall style, and vibe. The next step is the art of mocking. Number 6. Tease her the right way. Anyone can tease a girl, but not everyone knows how to tease a girl correctly. Most guys overdo it and get counterproductive instead. The important thing is that you should do it subtly. Don't be too direct or arrogant. Be witty in a playful and cute way. If you notice that she is a little confused, you can add that famous joke. So how do you know you're doing it the right way? See how she reacts to your teasing. Does she look like she's having fun, or does she regret meeting you? Distinguishing between the two is not that difficult. I can tell you that. If a shy girl likes you, she will laugh at all your jokes, including corny ones, and attempts at teasing. Also, teasing is a great stress reliever and prevents the dreaded awkward silence. It will help you relax and connect in a more natural way. I always suggest flirting with girls so you can become a pro at it. Number 7. The focus should be on her. And I know you care too much about presenting yourself in the best light possible, but you shouldn't make this all about yourself. The focus should be on her because she's the one you want to impress, right? Also, when a girl really likes you, she wants you to deceive her. So what if I told you that the less you do, the more you impress her? How? By simply listening to her. Most guys don't understand that this is a gift from God, and the easiest way to impress her is to do nothing. Look at it this way. When you focus on her, you are less likely to make mistakes. However, that doesn't mean you have to listen to her all the time. Talk, but talk in a wise, interesting, and entertaining way. Also, add some humor to the equation. And yes, don't forget to get her phone number or follow her on social media so you can ask her on a date in the near future. Number 8. Ask her out on a date at the right time. Now you have her number or you follow her on social media. Don't ever be tempted to ask her out on a date too soon. So what's too soon anyway? Sure, you text her or call her for the first time. Asking a girl out shouldn't feel like a chore. In fact, the faster you rush it, the more likely you are to destroy it. Girls don't like to feel pressured to date anyone. The same goes for guys. This should happen naturally, preferably after a few days of texting, teasing, and getting to know each other better in the virtual world. Or until you see that the girl is completely relaxed and enjoying your virtual company. Making her laugh will definitely help you with that. So when that happens, it's the perfect time to ask her out. Number 9. Choose conversation topics wisely. First date conversations are sometimes the second most important thing on first dates, after your trust, because they are the main indicator of compatibility. Everything stems from your vibration and how you connect, or don't connect, with each other. So, what are the best topics to talk about on a first date? You can talk about your common interests, your lifestyle, preferences, future plans, etc. Also, make sure to spice it all up with a sense of humor. The emphasis should be on expressing yourself in an engaging manner, which will help you never run out of conversation topics. This includes asking interesting questions on the first date instead of boring ones. With that said, here are some questions that will intrigue her and help you keep the conversation going. What's something interesting I should know about you? If money wasn't a problem, what would you do every day? What are your top relationship deal breakers? If you could choose one year of your life, what would it be and why? Do you usually follow your head or your heart when making decisions? Remember to keep things light and don't reveal too much information about yourself. Save some things for another day. And women are crazy about men who have this mysterious vibe swirling around them. Number 10, boost your skills. Girls love to feel special. I mean, who doesn't? So that's why you should be a real gentleman. It's one of the most important parts of first date advice for guys, so don't forget it. I understand that meeting a girl for the first time can be stressful for you because you want everything to go as smoothly as possible. However, there is no need to hyperventilate too quickly. Instead, Focus on improving your gentleman's skills. What does this mean? It means that you should always be caring, thoughtful, and protective of her, not just on the first date. And yes, don't forget to compliment her because Lord knows she spent hours picking out her dress and makeup for the day. You have no idea how much it means to us when someone compliments our efforts. Any dating coach will tell you that. Now, don't get me wrong. Being a gentleman isn't all about compliments. It's listening to her, opening doors for her, making her laugh, and being thoughtful to help her relax. Basically, it's about how she feels when she's with you. And trust me, if you genuinely care about her, she will see it.